Hello? This time, I'm going to solve a quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is part of the first semester curriculum for 9th grade. There are 3 methods to solve quadratic equations in Korea. First, using factoring second. Using perfect square trinomials third. Using quadratic formula. Well, I'll give it a try. First, I will solve the quadratic equation using factorization. First, I will find the numbers whose product is 3. Here it would be 1 and 3. Next, we find the numbers whose product is 2. Here it would be 2 and 1. Next, write the multiplied value here. You write the value obtained by multiplying like this here. Next, we need to make the sum of these numbers equal to this. Here, it should show 5. So you need to indicate 6 as negative. And it also adds a minus to the 2 right in front. Then, this will be the product of this and this. So when you factor it, it becomes x2 and 3c1. Now it's a method using the second perfect square. First, divide by the number 3 in front of x squared. 2/3 of the minus is handed over to the right side. Now, we need to make the left side fully squared. So, add the square of half the number in front of x to both sides. Then it will be like this. Now make it a perfect square. When calculating the square root, the right side becomes plus or minus 7/6. Then, if you find the value of x, it will be like this. If you organize it, the x value becomes 2 and negative 1/3. Now, this is the third method using the quadratic formula. It can be annoying to memorize formulas, but it's the simplest way. The formula is like this. All you have to do is put it into the quadratic formula. A is this, B is this, and C is this. All you have to do is type it into the quadratic formula and solve it. So this is how it goes. This is the end of the quadratic equation solution. See you next time.